Yo guys, Nightmare here. Look at this. I'm in B Swarm. The fucking chat's going crazy. All because I said, oh, 100 fucking of these sprouts is crazy for one fucking star sign. And now the chat's just arguing. Stars is the fucking villain here, bro. This is crazy. But it's funny though. Bro. Bro Stars thinks he's better than everyone else. Hold on. I gotta show y'all this. Look. He said, like, fucking. Nah, it's gone. There was something else. It was funny. Bro, someone said to him, like, learn your place. It's hilarious. Me on this, recording. I can't say it. I'll show you something on. I can't even. God dang it. Y'all, I get that. I can't say it. It's crazy. Hold on. Bro, I can't say it. The chat filter. It's crazy. Trying to say the media. Oh my god. This. God damn it. Bro, Roblox hates me, guys. This fucking filter. Oh, the chat though. The chat. This is how B-Swarm players are, guys. Look at this shit. Wait, did he leave? Bro, did Star leave? No fucking. Oh, no, he didn't. Oh, they're still here. Bro. This chat's crazy. Yo, chat, I'm recording. Say hi. Oh my god, bro. This shit's hilarious. Bro, I'm recording this out. This is fucking funny, y'all. Bro, he's like, hi guys, today I'm teaching a liar a lesson. Oh my god. Wait, what are they saying? Bro, Stars is going fucking crazy, y'all. Bro, what's that dude talking about? Bro, bro thinks he's so much better. That's crazy. The whole chat's against him. And just watching this shit. Yo, leave alone. What's this? God damn it. Chat filter. Chat filter hates me, guys. I should go to the Hive Hub more often, guys. This is crazy. I'm astonished by your great comeback. Please do say more. Please don't worry. Bro, I'm so glad I'm recording this shit. I'm still recording, bro. This shit's hilarious. I'm thankful. Bro. Bro. Like gets caught lying. What happens next is shocking. Bro. Bro, this is great. This is gonna be a great bit. Bro. Yo, guys, this is great. It's actually fun. Right. Wait. Bro, he's what? I'm a what? I derv cars, what? That. Oh, I think he was trying to say racer? No, definitely not. I'm so sorry you have to deal with this. I just realized, are they being like shamed for being trans or some shit? Is that what it is? Bro. What? This is, bro, this is. They're suing it longer because I'm recording. Oh my god. This is fucking crazy. Liar. Bro had to say liar 3 times to make sure. This is the craziest beast form chat I've ever had, y'all. Bro, what the fuck is this shit, man? I should post more like this. This is crazy. Oh my god. Yeah. Bro. Oh my god. No, wait, don't. Oh, I thought I was about to leave it. I got scared. No, fuck that. I'm not leaving. Nah, I can't leave like this. I'm not sighing, I'm agreeing. Breakout session for real. Oh my god. The hinge is completely off. Then how? Star, then why are you here? If you don't want to be here, then leave. The Avengers. I guess. This is wild. With what point to prove? Wait, do I have that actually? I don't think I have that yet. Hold on, y'all, hold on. I, I'm about I might, I might, I yeah. I needed that anyway. I'm glad I'm here. Okay. Star, give us detailed. Nice. Wait, say 30K. This feels like Twitter. I can't even say it, guys. This feels like. Yeah, I guess say X, but I can't say Twitter. Brilliant. In every shut up. Wow. Everyone. Y'all, y'all, this is wild. It's still going. How long have I been recording, guys? Freaking 20 minutes. 20 minutes of this, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, the first YouTube video of the year, y'all. Welcome to 2025, where we have this shit going on. Holy crap, dude. 2025 is gonna be a good year for me. Y'all, this is why play Bee Swarm. It's funny to watch. The community sometimes is at each other's throats. You start to reach an all-time low. Wait, what? My keyboard is broken. Good start. Maybe it should stay broken. Our room is crazy. This all happened because I said 100 sprouts was crazy. Low pepper fade, bro. Go back to X, bro. We don't want you in this fucking Roblox game, bro. We don't want you here, Star. Get out. Leave. Leave. Leave, bro. We don't want you here. Back to X, man. I'll have to slam them to work. Bro was so mad. He broke his keys. Bro was so mad he broke his keys. Oh shit, hold on. I need the better berries. First, 25 is wild. Wait, so is there multiple people against them now? Is she getting hate from multiple people? Ain't no way. Sounds about right. Supreme just insults whoever is being insulted. Okay, so Supreme's just that. Just a goofy one. It's actually pretty chill. Well, that's a good way to wrap things up. Wait, bro, I'm dying, yo. I'm getting off of Beast Form after I upload this video, guys. If y'all see this, this is crazy. If any of y'all in chat see this, join my Discord server. It's probably gonna be in the link to this description. Saku, if you're listening to this, honestly, like, text me on Discord because, like, I really want to chat with you about this. This is actually kind of crazy. Sorry that you had to deal with this shit. I had to deal with that. Oh, he left. Oh, I was gonna say. I tried to say Discord a million times. I don't know how to say it in Discord, y'all. I'm gonna go, y'all. See ya. Alright, peace out. I'm leaving this server. Y'all. Y'all. Hold on. I'm turning on my camera for y'all. Where is my camera? Oh. Oh, that's brilliant. It's not there anymore. Fuck. Hold on, guys. Just give me a second. I'm gonna turn on my camera. Uh, I'm actually stupid right now. Media source? No. Guys, which one's the camera? I'm saying that as if you can help me. You're just watching the video. There we go. There we go. Hi. Hi. Yeah, what the fuck was that? It's currently 9:41 p.m. I don't know if you saw. But yeah. Okay, that's a thing. I barely play Beast Form now, but when I do, that is the funniest shit. If anyone in that chat is here, hi. Hi. Hi there. First vid of 2025, guys. This is crazy. That was actually fucking funny. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck just happened. So, recap, y'all. Star started the drama, apparently. That's a Twitter user right there. We have Supreme, who was just fucking switching sides like crazy, going from red to blue, blue to red. They were like going crazy. Saku was just a normal person who was just getting attacked and was taking it like a champ. Props to you. If you see this video, check me out on Discord. Seriously, that is fucking crazy. Like seriously, I got your back. And my Discord server for everyone that watches this video is a safe place. No fucking hate allowed. Whoever the fuck you are, you're allowed to be there and you have a right to speak there without any disrespect, and I will back you up to the very end. So, yeah, I think that wraps up this video. Holy shit, 31 minutes, guys. I should live stream. I'm gonna live stream this weekend, guys. And I'm probably gonna live stream talking with people. Maybe I'll play Beast Swarm again. Who knows? Yeah, that's about it though. This was fun. I should do this more often. But have a good night, everyone. I'm going to rest my brain after this and wrap around what the fuck just happened. Uh, I have my dog over there. Yeah. All right. See y'all. Peace out. Stay safe. See y'all in the next one.